special guest, a very special actor, a very special performer. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sophie Chaudhary visiting us at the Spring Zone. Requesting everybody to let's give her a space and walk her in. Because this is the zone she'll be here sharing her fitness secrets as well. Requesting everybody to give a side and let Sophie walk in the center as we have our special guest Sophie. Pleasure having you, Sophie. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the time we all have been waiting for. Sophie Chaudhary is here sharing her fitness secrets with us. Let's have a mic with Sophie, please. Sophie, first of all, we welcome you.
सबसे पहले मैं माजूर चाहूँगी माफी मांगना चाहूँगी सबसे I am the most punctual person but I can't control the metro work. It's taken me more than 90 minutes from Bandra. I'm so sorry. I'm never late. It's the first time I'm so late. I'm so sorry. But that means I need a mattress now more than ever.
Absolutely, Sophie. Sophie, everybody is very, very eager. बहुत time से wait कर रहे हैं and everybody wants to know that they were talking and they were asking me, Sophie is so fit. What is her fitness mantra? I said, let Sophie come. I'm going to ask her the secret. Sophie, what is your secret of staying so fit?
Actually, lifestyle, everybody knows you have to work out, you have to eat right. But I think people forget that you have to sleep right. That's the most important thing. People work out like crazy, but if you don't rest well, you're never going to get the results. So for me, I think it's really important to stay fit. You have to sleep fit. That's the most important thing. And that's why I'm really happy to be here because it's a perfect fit for me. Fitness मेरे लिए एक lifestyle है. एक टेम्पररी चीज़ नहीं कि मुझे एक महीने में अच्छे लगना है एक शूट के लिए या मुझे किसी की शादी पे जाना है तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगना है और अभी अपनी शादी की बात नहीं आई तो I'm not worried about that yet also. I just think that fitness has got to be a permanent lifestyle and that's why it's really important to eat right, work out regularly and sleep well as much as you can.
So we're talking about sleep. You said that that's very important. So everybody must be wanting to know, even I want to know that how important sleep is for you, whether it's 6 hours or 8 hours, or what do you think that how important is sleep for everybody to get fit?
Actually, I don't think it's the number of hours, I think it's the quality of sleep. Some nights you can be in bed for 8-9 hours और फिर भी आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं होती और कभी-कभी 5-6 घंटों में ही आपकी नींद पूरी हो जाती है. You need to sleep right. I'm actually someone, I have this party image, which is great. But actually, I'm someone who goes to bed early and wakes up very early. Or literally, my sleep time is very, very important and very precious. So mobile phones are off. They stay off. All lights are off, and I really enjoy my sleep time. और हम इतना travel करते हैं कि there's nothing better than coming back to your own bed. Trust me, we travel so much. So yeah.
Absolutely agree on this, Sophie. One more question before we have the unveiling of our catalog 2018. But I want to know that sleep is important, fitness is important, but what about Spring Fit mattress? What do you think about this? That amazing, we lie down, we sleep for 5 hours, that's a power nap. I think so this mattress is giving you that power energy, the power nap which we require.
They say the secret of the most successful people are those power naps. So if you can take them through the day, then there's nothing better than the Spring Fit mattress. I love the name. That's actually one of the reasons I'm so happy to be here. It puts a spring in your step and keeps you fit at the same time, and I love that. And I think it's a wonderful brand. It's an Indian brand, and I think that's an incredible thing. And I'm all about things which are made in India because even my tea is made in India, which everybody knows about my Fitox tea. So for me, this fitness fits in perfectly, and I just want to congratulate you all. Wish you all the best. Bahut bahut mubarak ho. Thank you so much for having me.
All right, before we move on, ladies and gentlemen, time for the unveiling. Nathan is here, Nipun is here, Mr. Malhotra is here. Time for the unveiling of the catalog 2018. I hold the mic, Sophie, for you. Yes, for today, that is the unveiling of the catalog 2018 at the Spring Fit Mattress Zone with Sophie Chaudhary, sharing her fitness secrets as well, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the unveiling of the catalog 2018 taking place. Requesting everybody to give a round of applause for the unveiling that is taking place right here, ladies and gentlemen. Spring Fit Collections 2018, the catalog.
All of you stay here, all of you stay here. All of you look here, this camera. Sophie ma'am, right?
The unveiling of the catalog 2018.
Sophia Solo. सोफी मैम यहाँ पे देखिए हम लोगों के पास
Silence, please.
Okay, let's all squeeze in. Yeah. Guys, microphone थोड़ा नीचे रखो यार. Guys,
Don't push.
guys, थोड़ा नीचे करो. Okay, बस. Podium ला रहे हैं? एक सेकंड सुनाई कुछ नहीं दे रहा है. हाँ जी. जी आज हम यहाँ पे स्प्रिंग फिट मैट्रेसेस के नए लुकबुक को लॉन्च कर रहे हैं द न्यू कैटलॉग फॉर 2018. बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके क्योंकि इस ब्रांड के वैल्यूज़ मेरे वैल्यूज़ से बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट फिटनेस, लीडिंग अ हेल्थी पॉजिटिव लाइफस्टाइल. सो इट्स रियली नाइस टू बी हियर एंड आई थिंक आजकल की डेट में हम सब अपनी नींद को बहुत कम वैल्यू देते हैं. हम सब इतने बिजी रहते हैं चाहे काम में चाहे पर्सनल लाइफ में कि स्लीप इज़ एट द बॉटम ऑफ द लिस्ट विच इज़ ओके बिकॉज वी लीड हेक्टिक लाइफस्टाइल्स. लेकिन अगर आप कम स्लीप भी करते हैं इवन इफ इट्स ओनली फॉर 5-6 hours it needs to be complete rest and I think Spring Fit mattresses help you do that. I think one thing we should all remember is that when you sleep less your brain functions less. So you need to be 100% ready, active, tuned in, and the way you do that is if you sleep well. So like I said, I'm very happy to be here. I'm excited for the catalog launch and very grateful that they called me. I'm about to, and I'm so excited about that because a lot of people don't know that you need to change your mattress. Some people say every 5 to 6 years, some people say 8 to 9 years. It depends. I think with Spring Fit they last about 8 to 9 years at least. Yeah, but you need to change your mattress regularly, and that's also something people don't pay attention to. बहुत सारे लोग आपको ये कहते हैं कि आपको 8-9 घंटा सोना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, which is in today's lifestyle for most of us it's actually pretty impossible. Bachchan Saab is superhuman. He sleeps 4 hours a night, but he's an exception. Most of us need at least 6 good hours. So yeah, I'm looking forward to choosing my new mattress and getting some great sleep.
तो आप कितना रिलेट करते हैं चीज़ कि आप भी करते हो तो टाइम नहीं मिल पाता, कैसे आप मैनेज कर पाते हैं?
Actually, मेरी ज़िंदगी में फिटनेस की बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत है. As you all know, I even launched my own tea last year because I believe in fitness. मैं हमेशा हेल्दी वर्कआउट्स को प्रमोट करती हूँ, हेल्दी बॉडी इमेजेस, ईटिंग राइट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेकिन हम सब वर्कआउट पे एंड ईटिंग राइट पे इतना फोकस करते हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं that the third most important angle is sleep right, which is why you can stay fit if you sleep fit. And I think the tagline is fantastic, which is why I said that their values are very similar to mine. Yes, I know about this. Yeah, I know that. I've known about it for a couple of days and I just want to send Sonali lots of love and strength and all our prayers. I adore her, I love her. Big fan and she's a wonderful girl. और उसमें fighting spirit है. I'm just praying that she fights this out. And she's got prayers from all across the world with her, so just sending her lots of positive energy. But it just makes you realize that sometimes we believe that we're leading a really fit lifestyle and people who are super fit, कभी-कभी वो छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें ignore कर भी लेते हैं and you don't even realize. So it's so important to take care of your health, to be tuned into your body. We'll be working most of our life, but you've got to pay attention to your diet, to your sleep, to everything. To do the best you can to stay fit. And then if something goes wrong, God forbid, then you just have to be a fighter. And I know Sonali's a fighter.
Nitin, would you suggest a mattress? What kind of mattress from Spring Fit would match her?
I think for her we have a series called iSleep, and that series is actually we've got the best of the materials in India, and we are proudly saying we are one of the only Indian brand which is actually exporting to the world, and this is a thing which we are proud about it. And our products are up to the level where we can compete any international brand. And today we are largest manufacturer of mattresses for hotels in India. You name a brand in India and we are there. Any hotel chain you go, if she's
We're not going to
traveling-
name the brands,
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
know because I travel a lot and I've slept in lots of hotel rooms when I'm traveling and performing, and their mattresses are in most of them.
Yeah, so once you go to any hotel, just remove your sheets and see you'll find Springfit there. Yeah, so I suggest her to go for an iSleep brand for us. Yeah.
I'm waiting for the delivery, guys.
मैम वेब सीरीज को लेकर के काफ़ी चर्चा होती है, तो वेब सीरीज इस तरह पे काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है, तो आप कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है वेब सीरीज को लेकर के?
वेब सीरीज और मैट्रेस का क्या ताल्लुक है, आप पहले ये बताओ मुझे।
वेब सीरीज आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट
कोई स्टोरी है मैट्रेस को लेके? नहीं, मैं तंग कर रही हूँ आपको। नहीं, मैं तंग कर रही हूँ आपको। I'm definitely working on some stuff. I've been focusing a lot more on the music. So I'm shooting 2 new music videos this month. They'll be out very soon. And then, yeah, I think you will see me in a web series. I've got a lot of interesting scripts, but there's only one that I like. So I think we'll start shooting at the end of the year. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
See some of our products.
Yeah, of course, 100%.
Get side.